Hello there, and welcome back. This is lesson 9. Please relax. There is no need to memorize anything. Just listen first and repeat when prompted. Let the words come to you slowly and naturally. You are doing very well. Let us begin. Here are the 12 words for today. Just listen. No repeating yet. Get, put, keep, want, bring, take, give, have, go, come, use, need. Good. Now you and I will say the same words together. Please listen and repeat these words after me. Get, get, put, put, keep, keep, want, want, bring, bring, take, take, give, give, have, go, go, come, come, use, use, need, need. Very good. Slowly but surely. Now, listen to some very short joined words. You can repeat them if you like. Get here. Put it here. Keep it there. I want this. Bring it here. Take it there. You give it. I have it. Go home. Come here. Use it now. I need it. Good, nice and calm. Now, listen to a short, gentle story using all of the 12 words. I get here today. I come home early. I have this thing. I bring it here. I put it there. I keep it safe. I want that now. I need this today. I take it now. I use it again. I give it to you. I go home happy. Well done. We are almost finished. Now let us listen to the words one more time. get, put, keep, want, bring, take, give, have, go, come, use, need. Excellent. Okay, that is all for today. You did very well. Relax, take your time, and I will see you for the next lesson. Well done. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, share, and subscribe.